Ready? Start. In the instant batch of appeals, one fact is common that the orders were placed for various nature of construction works for its execution, and the agreement executed between the parties includes a separate chapter for settlement of disputes, leaving any dispute or difference between the parties to be resolved through the process of arbitration by appointing an arbitrator invoking clause 64 within bracket 3 of the contract stop. As per terms of the agreement, date of completion of the project was delayed as alleged due to breach of obligations by the appellants, and the scheduled date of completion had to be extended stop. Meanwhile, due to rise in the prices of raw material, the project was impossible to be completed by the respondent contractors, and hence correspondence was made to either pay the escalated price, or in the absence the respondents would not be in a position to conclude the contract stop. It was alleged that the appellants accepted the terms and conditions for escalated prices and asked the respondents to complete the work and hand over the project stop stanza. But when the respondents raised the final bills in the predetermined format bracket start, which also included the number dues certificate bracket closed on the newly agreed prices, dispute has arisen in the context of payment of escalated prices or withholding of security deposits. Taking note of the existence of arbitration clause in the agreement, the respondents sent a notice to appoint an arbitrator as per clause 64 within bracket 3 of GCC to resolve the dispute of payment of outstanding dues, which was declined by the appellants by sending the reply that no due certificate was signed and that entails no dispute to be sent to arbitration stop. Since the appellants failed to appoint the arbitrator in accordance with the arbitration clause in the agreement, each of the respondent filed application under section 11 within bracket 6 of the act before the High Court for appointment of an independent arbitrator, and the primary objection of the appellants before the High Court was that on furnishing the no claim certificate by the contractor, no dispute subsists which is to be sent to the arbitrator, and further the claims which has been submitted were beyond time as prescribed in the agreement and thus falls under the accepted matter in the agreement stop stanza. After the matter being heard, the application for appointment of arbitrator under section 11 within bracket 6 of the Act 1996 came to be decided by the High Court of Rajasthan by separate order within bracket S, keeping in view the independence and neutrality of arbitrator as envisaged under section 12 within bracket 5 of the Amendment Act 2015 stop stanza. The High Court further observed that the amended provisions of Act 2015 shall apply to the pending proceedings, and mere furnishing of no claim certificate would not take away the right of the parties, and it is open for adjudication before the arbitrator and appointed a retired judge of the High Court as an independent sole arbitrator under the impugned judgment in exercise of power under section 11 within bracket 6 of the Act 1996 stop stanza. Indisputedly, the request for the dispute to be referred to arbitration in the instant batch of appeals was received by the appellants much before the Amendment Act 2015 came to force. Bracket start, that is 23rd October 2015, bracket close, stop. Mr. K. M. Natarajan, learned additional Solicitor General, appearing for the appellant, submits that section 12, including subsections within bracket 1 and within bracket 5, as also 5th and 7th schedule has come into force by the Amendment Act 2015, 23rd October 2015, and indisputably in the instant batch of appeals, request to refer to the arbitration was received by the appellants much prior to the Amendment Act 2015 stop stanza. In view of section 21 read with section 26 of the Amendment Act 2015, where the request has been sent to refer the dispute to arbitration and received by the other side before the Amendment Act 2015 has come into force, the proceedings will commence in accordance with the pre-amended provisions of the Act 1996, and the given circumstances apparent error has been committed by invoking section 12 within bracket 5 of the Amendment Act 2015 for appointment of an independent arbitrator without resorting to the clause 64 within bracket 3 of GCC as agreed by the parties, and in support of submission, learned counsel has placed reliance on the decision of this court in the case of Miss Aravali Power Company Private Limited versus ERA Infrastructure Engineering Limited 2017 within bracket 15 SCC 32 and SP Singla Constructions Private Limited versus State of Himachal Pradesh and others 2018 within bracket 15 scale 421 stop stanza. Learned counsel further submits that once the no claim certificate has been signed by each of the respondent and after settlement of the final bills, no arbitral dispute subsists and the contract stands discharged and they cannot be permitted to urge that they gave the no claim certificate under any kind of financial duress, undue influence, and even in support thereof no prima facie evidence as has been placed on record. Stop. In the given circumstances, the appointment of an independent arbitrator by the High Court under section 11 within bracket 6 of the Act 1996 is not sustainable, and in support of submission, learned counsel has placed reliance on the decisions of this court in Union of India and others versus Master Construction Company 2011 within bracket 12 SCC 349 stop over.